With Signals Clinical, you simply describe what you need in plain language. No variable names, no SQL. Just clinical intent, like you would ask a colleague. The AI immediately understands your intent, creates the plan, writes and executes the SQL against your live, right now clinical data, all in one step. What you see here is a real example of the custom listing generator action. The reviewer simply types a question, for instance, which of these patients with serious adverse events are taking concomitant medications? The AI assistant automatically interprets the question and generates a table filtered to meet that request. On the right-hand side, you can see the AI's breakdown and logic. It identifies the serious adverse events cohort, matches those patients to the concomitant medication dataset, then merges relevant demographic data for additional context. This replaces the need to manually code or request listings from biostats or programming teams. Each row in the table represents a subject's medication record, including study ID, dose, start-end date, and treatment. The output is analysis-ready, fully traceable, and aligned with ICHE 6 IGOR. 3. Expectations for sponsor oversight and independent review. The reviewer doesn't have to know SQL, R, or Spotfire syntax. They can simply describe what they need in natural language. The AI assistant handles the data joining and filtering logic transparently. The AI assistant notes at the bottom remind users that outputs are human-reviewed and traceable, ensuring audit readiness and regulatory compliance. And before showing results, it restates what it understood from your request. You instantly see if the AI interpreted correctly before acting on it. Full transparency. From there, modifying is as natural as replying again, filter to treatment arm only, or remove all reviewed rows. It behaves like an expert collaborator, not a black box,